you ever wonder how successful people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals, find purpose in life, and maintain a positive outlook even during challenging times? The answer lies in the power of their minds, specifically in their ability to harness the full potential of their brains for success and happiness. Success and happiness are not just the end goals, but the natural byproducts of a powerful and disciplined mind. In this era of constant distractions and endless opportunities, it's easy to feel lost and overwhelmed. But the high-value man understands that the real power lies not in the external circumstances, but in the inner workings of his mind. With the right mindset and tools, he can tap into his full potential and create a life of purpose and fulfillment. So, are you ready to unleash the power of your mind and become the high-value man you were meant to be? Let's dive in and discover the secrets to success and happiness that lie within you. Number 1. Understanding the power of the high-value man's mind. Your mind is one of the most powerful tools you have. It can be your greatest asset or your worst enemy. As a high-value man, it's essential to understand the power of your mind and learn how to harness its potential. When you master your mind, you become the master of your destiny. Your thoughts and actions determine your success in life. Your mind is the key to unlocking your potential and achieving your goals. One of the most powerful aspects of your mind is your subconscious. Your subconscious mind is like a tape recorder that records everything that happens to you, including your thoughts, emotions, and experiences. It stores this information and uses it to influence your behavior and decisions. Remember, when you learn how to tap into your subconscious, you can unlock its power and use it to your advantage. Number 2. The power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is a powerful tool that can transform your life. It can help you overcome challenges, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. A high-value man understands the power of positive thinking and practices it regularly. He focuses on the positive aspects of his life, rather than dwelling on the negative. This mindset allows him to approach challenges with optimism and resilience. Listen, practicing positive thinking involves changing the way you think and speak about yourself and your life. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," a high-value man says, "I will find a way to make this work." He reframes negative situations into positive ones and focuses on solutions rather than problems. Remember, by practicing positive thinking, a high-value man can improve his mental and physical health, boost his confidence, and achieve his goals. Number 3. Using your brain for success. To use your brain for success, you must first set clear goals. Define what success means to you and what you want to achieve. Write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Your brain needs a clear direction to work towards. Once you have a clear goal in mind, your brain will start to work on finding solutions to help you achieve it. Another way to use your brain for success is to visualize your goals. Visualize yourself achieving your goals in vivid detail. See yourself living the life you want, doing the things you love, and feeling happy and fulfilled. Remember, when you visualize your goals, you activate the power of your subconscious mind. Your brain will start to work on finding ways to make your vision a reality. Number 4. Using your brain for happiness. Happiness is a state of mind. To be truly happy, you must learn how to cultivate positive thoughts and emotions. Your brain is wired to focus on negative thoughts and experiences, which can make it challenging to feel happy. To overcome this, you must train your brain to focus on positive thoughts and emotions. One way to do this is through gratitude. When you focus on the things you're grateful for, you activate the pleasure centers in your brain, which release dopamine and other feel-good chemicals. Make a daily gratitude list and focus on the good things in your life. This will help you cultivate a positive mindset and feel happier. Another way to use your brain for happiness is through mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and fully engaged in what you're doing. When you're mindful, you're not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. You're fully immersed in the present moment, which can help reduce stress and anxiety and increase feelings of happiness and contentment. Number 5. Strategies for improving mental health. Mental health is an essential component of overall health and well-being. A high-value man recognizes the importance of taking care of his mental health and implements strategies to improve it. These strategies include practicing self-care, seeking support, and developing healthy habits. Self-care involves taking time for yourself to recharge and relax. This can include activities such as exercise, meditation, reading, or spending time with loved ones. By taking care of yourself, you can reduce stress, improve your mood, and increase your overall sense of well-being. Seeking support is another essential strategy for improving mental health. This can include talking to a therapist or counselor, joining a support group, or confiding in a trusted friend or family member. Seeking support allows you to process your emotions and gain a new perspective on your challenges. Finally, developing healthy habits such as eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and practicing mindfulness can improve your mental health. These habits allow you to take care of your body and mind, leading to greater overall health and well-being. Listen, the power of the high-value man's mind is immense. By understanding how your mind works and learning how to use it for success and happiness, you can achieve great things in life. Set clear goals, visualize your success, cultivate positive thoughts and emotions, and practice mindfulness. With these tools, you can unlock your potential and live a fulfilling life. Remember, your mind is your greatest asset. Use it wisely and you can achieve anything you want. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.